Hi, I'm Gabriel Peretti from Zerorez Carpet and Living Surfaces Care in Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to talk to you about problems with stains after carpet cleaning. You're going to have spots that reappear a couple of days after the carpet has been cleaned, and some spots that seem to reappear a couple of weeks after the fact. And the reason is that if it's something that appears a couple of days after the carpet has been cleaned, it's usually related to something that was spilled on that carpet that went through the carpet, probably through the padding, and it's sitting there. And as the technician is cleaning the carpet and he concentrates on that area, gets it a little bit wetter in his attempt to remove it all. However, that section, because it is wetter, now has more time to emulsify that residue that's under the carpet. And when the carpet starts to dry, and it dries by wicking action, meaning the moisture wicks all the way through the fibers to the tips of the fibers, it brings with it all that residue that's still underneath the carpet. If it's happening that way, and then you're going to actually need to treat the spot again. Usually a good carpet cleaning company, if you call them, they should have no problems coming back and redoing that area for you. But if that doesn't happen, then what you might need to do is do some spotting techniques yourself. And ideally you want to know what could have been. You know, maybe it was milk that you spilled a while back that you didn't see when you spilled it, but that milk residue there continues to attract dirt. And if you know what it is, then it's going to make your job a lot easier to try to remove it. So in that case, you're going to be doing some spotting, and you're going to have to make sure that you get it out. It's difficult to know because you can't see that sticky residue in the fibers. It's really invisible to the naked eye. But as long as that's there, that spot will continue to reappear as new dirt sticks to it. In the other case, if it's something that is wicking as the carpet dries, usually within 24 to 48 hours, and it's something that's underneath the carpet, usually that is going to be something that's going to be sitting on the surface of the carpet. That soiling residue wicks up through the carpet fibers, and it gets to the tips of the fiber. From there, the water evaporates, but the residue remains at the tips. And you can easily see that by pulling fibers apart, and then you can see that for the most part the fiber is clean. It's just the tip that has that stain. And sometimes one of the easiest ways to remove that is to use any carpet cleaning solution and just wet a towel and just kind of gently rub the surface of the carpet. Don't need to use a lot of force, just gently work the area. And that, for the most part, should take care of the problem. I am Gabriel Peretti from Zerorez Carpet and Living Surfaces Care in Los Angeles, and I have just given you some tips about problems with stains after carpet cleaning.